Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Everybody take out your books.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm open.
Okay. Till where have we done?
Ma'am, question number 6 in chapter 2.
Question number 6 in chapter.
Ma'am, chapter 1.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me open. Question number 6. We've done till question number 6, right? Now, all of you open up page number 23 of your book and along with the page, open up the cameras. Hurry up and open up your cameras. Ridhima, Angel, Aditya, both the Adityas, Karthik, Saksham, all of you. Now let's read this text. Who is going to read the text? Children, in the coming exams, in your next exams, now you will also get this kind of a paragraph to
Ma'am, please
translate.
send the PDF of this chapter.
Who will send the PDF of the chapter? Although this PDF would be there in the class group, go to documents, you'll see there.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Anyone has the PDF of this chapter? Because in my book, all the exercises are solved. So there is no point sending it from here. One of you, please send it from your book.
Ma'am, our French answer sheets are checked.
Not yet.
Okay, ma'am.
Who is sending the PDF? Okay, if you want me to send now, it will take a little time, children. Children, I can't find it in my phone. One of you, please hurry up and send it.
Ma'am, what?
The PDF of this chapter, beta, all the exercises and everything. I can't find the PDF in my phone.
Ma'am, I have pictures.
Have you sent?
Ma'am, I have not PDF, ma'am, I have pictures.
Okay,
I'm
if you
sorry.
have pictures, please send the pictures, beta. Send the
Okay,
picture of particularly this page right now, and then you can create the PDF later.
Ma'am, Ridhima has sent the PDF.
Riddhima has sent the PDF. Very nice. Okay, page number 23. Now everybody open up page number 23, the 7th question. Now this kind of a question, I'm saying that in your next exam, you are going to get this kind of a question. From anywhere, I'll give you a passage to translate. Now, question number 7 says, lisez ce texte sur Nicolas. What does this mean? Lisez ce texte. What do you mean?
Ma'am,
lisez ce
read
texte?
this text
Yes. Read this text sur Nicolas. What is sur Nicolas?
on Nicholas.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Read the text on Nicholas. A text has been written on him. So let's just read it out. Bhavya, please read, beta. Start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Nicholas Habitor, a lawyer.
Okay. Wait after each line. Nicolas habite à Lyon. Now read.
Il est étudiant.
Il est étudiant.
Il aime l'anglais et le français, mais il déteste les mathématiques.
Okay. Il aime l'anglais. Il aime l'anglais et le français. Mais il déteste les mathématiques. Now till here, what does it mean? Who will tell? Saksham Sahu, open your camera. And what do these lines tell us? Saksham is not there?
These line.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your camera, beta.
Okay, ma'am. And these line tells that Nicholas live in Lyon.
Yes.
He is a student.
Very good.
He love English, but he don't like mathematics.
Okay. He loves English and French, but he hates maths. Okay. Then next, Ridhima Lamba, continue reading.
Ma'am, in English?
No, in French, beta. Read it in French, then we'll translate it.
Okay, ma'am. Le mercredi après-midi, il a un cours de piano.
Okay,
il
wait.
aime dessiner
Wait.
et il
Wait. Le mercredi après-midi, il a un cours de piano. Then, continue.
il aime dessiner et il est content de jouer dans une épique de basket. Il passe le week-end au bord de la mer. Il invite un ami.
Okay. Now, il aime dessiner et il est content de jouer dans une équipe de basket. Now, did I tell you the concept of two verbs being used together in one sentence? Did I tell you that concept? No. Okay. So
No, ma'am.
here see. In this sentence, what is the sentence? Il aime dessiner. He likes, and dessiner is what? To draw. He likes to draw and he is happy to play in a team of basketball. Une équipe means a team of basketball. Now, what is this concept of two verbs together? Just have a look here. Like in English also, we say, I love to dance. I love to sleep. I love to eat. So what am I doing? I am conjugating the first verb, that is, I love to eat. That's my sentence. And if I want to say he loves to eat, what will I do? He loves to eat. So looking at these two sentences, what do we come to know? What do we see? That we are conjugating the first verb. Love is also a verb in this sentence and eat is also a verb. So what we do, we conjugate the first verb according to the subject pronoun and the second verb comes in its infinitive form. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Here also the first verb comes according to I and then to eat comes in its infinitive form. Similarly, if I want to say we loved, okay. If I want to say it in French, how will I say? J'aime, I love to eat. J'aime, and what is the verb to eat? Manger. Manger means to eat. I love to speak. Parler.
Jim Parler.
Yes, j'aime parler. Now, if I want to say we love to anything. We love to do what? We love to
Study.
study. Étudier. Étudier is being used in its infinitive form while the first verb is being conjugated according to the subject pronoun. That is,
And there is to study.
yes, étudier means to study. Now, in this sentence, what the sentence says, il aime dessiner. So, he likes, dessiner stands for to draw. He likes to draw and he is happy in playing. He is happy to play in a team of basketball. Il passe le week-end au bord de la mer. Now, what does this line mean? He spends the weekend at the seaside. De la mer, au bord de la mer means by the sea. He spends the weekend by the sea. Il invite un ami. He invites a friend. Il invite un ami. He invites a friend. Now, what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to put the text in plural. Now, everything will be changed in plural. Okay, start doing it on your own. If you face any difficulty, ask me. I have translated the text. I have, yes.
Ma'am, second last line meaning?
Second last line, he spends the weekend by the sea. Au bord
Ma'am,
de la mer means by the sea. Yes.
ma'am, we can do it in the notebook.
We can do what?
Ma'am, do write it in the notebook.
Yes, you have to do it in the notebook. This exercise has to be done in the notebook. Children, are you being able to do it?
Yes, mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Take care of all the adjectives of the verbs. Everything will be changed in plural.
Ma'am, article the also.
Like in which sentence? Tell.
And there are many.
Which one?
And there are many.
There are many. Like the basket, in the team of basket. No, beta, it will not change here. In the team of basket will not change. Then, see, the second last sentence, he spends the weekend by the sea. So he spends the weekend by the sea becomes they spend the weekend by the sea. We will not change the seas into plural. The sea will not be changed into plural. Only what will change? People who are spending their weekend.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom done.
What about others?
I'm done.
Okay. Shall we start discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now who will read? Utkarsh.
Ma'am,
Utkarsh, have you done?
ma'am, I have to tell the first sentence.
Yes, tell the first sentence.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the first sentence is Nicole et Pierre habitent à Lyon and ils sont étudiants. Ils aiment l'anglais et
Okay.
le français.
All right, beta, all right. Wait. Now you type the first sentence, that is ils sont étudiants, in the chat box. Okay, type it in the chat box. Then the next sentence, Pratyush Singh, are you there in class? Pratyush Singh. Aditya Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
you type the next sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
He likes English and French, but he hates maths. Then, next, Angel. Angel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, type the next sentence. The Wednesday afternoon, they have a class of piano. This
Okay, ma'am.
sentence. Okay, Utkarsh, beta, can you find out your own mistake in this sentence? What mistake you have made?
No, ma'am.
Utkarsh, you cannot find out. Ils sont étudiants. How many students are you talking
Please wait a
about?
second.
Now,
I
can you
can't
find
find.
your mistake? You cannot find. Okay, I'll tell you your mistake. You are writing ILS in plural. Then the verb also in plural. Then why has the noun come in singular, beta? When we are changing into plural, you have not changed the main verb in plural. Main word in plural,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
mean. Yes. He is a student.
Now
He
we
is a
will add
student
S.
becomes they are students. Yes. Le mercredi après-midi, ils ont un cours de piano. Very nice, Angel. Correct. Who was supposed to type the second sentence? He loves English and French. Aditya was supposed to type. Okay. Bhavya, the next sentence. Il aime dessiner. This one.
Okay, ma'am.
Krishna Gupta, are you there? Krishna Gupta is there in
Yes, ma'am,
class?
but I'm still doing. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am,
yes.
but I'm still doing.
Okay, beta, you're still doing. Ridhima Lamba. Next line by you. Il passe le week-end au bord de la mer.
Okay, ma'am.
And who will type the last line? Aditya Mishra is there. Ils aiment dessiner et ils sont contents de jouer dans une équipe de basket. Very nice, Bhavya. Absolutely correct. Il envy an army. Who will do? Aditya Mishra, you will type the last one. Il envy an army. Aditya Mishra is there in class. No, Aditya Mishra cannot listen to me. Krishna, now you will type the last two lines, beta. On which line are you?
Ma'am, third one.
Okay, Aditya Kumar, correct. Ils aiment l'anglais et le français, mais ils détestent les mathématiques. Absolutely correct. We are left with the last two lines and we are waiting for Krishna to write them in the chat box. Krishna, try to do first these two lines and then finish your work in the copy, beta.
Ma'am, sent.
Okay, Ridhima, beta, why have you written le week ends? Why have you put ends in? And if you are putting ENDS, then shouldn't it be les weekend? LES?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Au bord de la mer. The spelling of au bord de la mer is wrong, beta.
Ma'am, typing error.
And the last line, he invites a friend. Now everybody type the last line in the chat box. What will the last line be? He invites a friend. Correct, Bhavya, correct. Utkarsh, correct. Krishna, correct. Aditya, correct. Angel. All right, so here we get done with this one. Now look at the eighth one. Eighth one you're supposed to do in the copy. put the dialogue in the correct order.
Ma'am, first we write wrong order, then we have to
No,
write
no, no. Just
correct.
write the correct order. Straight away, write the correct order. Okay, done. The eighth one. Which
Ma'am,
is the
two
first?
are,
Yes,
ma'am, two are left.
two are left. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Which is the first dialogue?
Ma'am, the last one is the first dialogue.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
bonjour, je m'appelle Astin Etoy.
Okay. Bonjour, je m'appelle Houston et toi. Then the second one.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
first
first
one.
one.
Bonjour, je
Ma'am,
m'appelle.
bonjour, je
Bonjour,
m'appelle.
je m'appelle Aurélie. Then third one.
Ma'am,
Q8
third one.
and
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Q8
ma'am.
Okay. Tu es en cinquième. Are you in fifth grade? Oui, je suis en cinquième. I am in the fifth grade. It was very easy. Now, children, coming on to the last exercise and the most important exercise of the chapter. See, we have been given a few verbs here. Okay, all these verbs, just read all the verbs. Just go through them once and see if you don't know any verb out of these. We have done all of them, but I think one or two we have not done.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of tomber?
Tomber means to fall.
What's the meaning of marcher?
Marcher means to walk. To walk. And tomber means to fall. Any other you want to know? Déjeuner. You didn't ask me déjeuner. We've not done this. It means to have lunch. To have lunch. Okay?
Ma'am, what's the meaning of toujours?
Toujours. Okay, toujours is always. Always.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you'll conjugate all the verbs and this exercise has to be done in the copy. Je dash toujours à 13h. Now what is 13 hour? H is used for hour, time. Now what is
Ma'am,
number 13 used for? Number
Ma'am,
13 is used for 1 o'clock. Now what generally can be done at 1 o'clock in the
Ma'am,
afternoon?
lunch.
Yes, lunch.
Lunch.
So you're going to conjugate this verb according to je. Similarly, you have to put appropriate verbs in these blanks. Will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is le arbre?
Le.
Ma'am, in second sentence. Ma'am,
Okay.
last word.
The larp. It's the larp. Arp is a tree. It's a tree. And when I say the larp, that means from the tree. The larp from the tree. The red apples dash from the tree.
Ma'am, fall.
Yes.
Ma'am, fall.
Fall. And the most important thing here is how you're going to conjugate fall. The word tomber according to Les Pommes Rouges.
Ma'am, with ills.
What beta?
Nothing, ma'am.
According to ILS and ELLES, because we're talking about plural, more than one apple. Okay, do it yourself. Then we'll discuss it. Maybe we'll discuss it in the next class if you're not able to complete it right now.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of fourth sentence?
Beta, the fourth sentence is Elle dash les vêtements foncés. She dash fancy clothes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of throw with a? I mean, sixth sentence.
Sixth sentence, okay. Vous dash throw wheat. You dash too fast. Throw wheat means too fast. Children done?
Ma'am, just 4 sentences are left.
Okay, no problem. We'll discuss this exercise in the next class. Take your time.
Ma'am, which verb will come in the third sentence?
Third sentence, sing. The birds, what do they sing? Oh, sorry, what do? They sing.